In this video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why this laptop could be the best ultra-thin laptop out there, at least for right now. But first, I gotta give you guys my disclaimer that this video is not sponsored. This device is borrowed from Lenovo, so just keep in mind that I am not paid to say anything nice about this laptop. Everything I'm gonna say in this video is based off of my experience, and with that out of the way, let's get started with number 1, and that is the design. As you can already tell right now, it is ultra thin and super lightweight. If you are looking for a super minimalistic laptop, this is the way to go. There's a USB-C port on the left hand side and on the right hand side. No headphone jack, but that's okay. It has a solid and premium feel to it, and it doesn't feel fragile. Like if I drop it, I feel like it's not gonna shatter. It feels durable enough that I can take it with me on the go confidently. Number 2, the keyboard. So I don't know about you, but when I use my laptop at home, I tend to use a mechanical keyboard just because I love the way it feels. There's something special about that clickiness to it. And the keyboard on this laptop is not exactly a mechanical keyboard, but it has a very satisfying feel to it. Just listen. So it's a little hard to describe. It's not really a clicky sound, it's more of like a popping sound. It almost feels like I'm typing on bubble wrap, if that makes any sense. It is very satisfying and all the keys are evenly spaced out. I instantly felt a difference when I was typing, and I wish more laptops had this type of keyboard. So the keyboard on this laptop is a big plus, and I highly recommend that you try it out if you see this laptop on display at a Best Buy or whatever. Number 3 is the battery. This is easily one of the most important features that everyone looks for when they're looking to buy a laptop. It makes no sense to travel with a laptop that dies every hour or 2, and then you gotta go and look for a power outlet in the airport. With this laptop, you won't have that issue. The battery life is amazing. So of course, certain applications they drain the battery faster, but when I was doing basic browsing and emailing, the battery lasted all day, and it was great. Another cool feature about this laptop is that it basically works like a tablet. You don't really gotta turn it off. You can close the lid and it will go to sleep, and then lift up the lid, it will turn on automatically, and it won't affect the battery life. It's really handy to have that instant on feature and not affect the battery life. And as I said before, this laptop has 2 USB-C ports, so you can use the USB-C charger to charge the laptop, and you can charge your phone, if you have an Android phone of course. So it's super handy to have just one charger that can charge your laptop and your phone, and probably your other accessories like your earphones. Number 4, the display. This laptop has a 13.3-inch display with a 2.5K resolution, 16:10 aspect ratio, and it has a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. And it's also a touchscreen display. I know not everyone is a fan of using a touchscreen on a laptop, but it does come in handy sometimes. The display also supports Dolby Vision, so it doesn't matter if you're using this laptop for productivity or entertainment, the display will not disappoint. And also remember, this is not a sponsored video, so I don't have to say anything good about this laptop, it's just based off of my experience. And finally, number 5, we gotta talk about the performance. So this model that I'm using has an Intel Core i7 1260p. For the graphics, it has an Intel Iris Xe, 16 GB of RAM. So I didn't get to do a benchmark test to actually show you guys the numbers. But as I said before, when I was doing productivity, everything went very smoothly. And I was even able to get some gaming in on this laptop. I was playing Fall Guys and Fortnite, and the laptop held up very nicely. Obviously, I didn't push it too far, but for casual gaming, it handled it very well. And it's a little rare to find that in an ultra thin laptop. But this one delivers, and for that reason, I highly recommend it. Also, as a bonus, on the side there is a webcam shutter button, so when you flip it, this will disable the webcam. Windows 11 already does a pretty good job of blocking apps from using your webcam, but it's nice to have that extra layer of security just in case. So again, this is a Lenovo Slim 7i Carbon. It is available right now, and if you are interested, you can go ahead and find a link in the comments below and in the description.